So, hello, or I should say good morning. I just kind of woke up and ate my breakfast, but I thought it was like nice to make a video and show you what I got for my Christmas gift for myself. And excuse all of this, I'm sorry, but I'm just going to open up this and we'll take it from there, I guess. And yes, this is from a store in Sweden that is called Kicks, and I bought myself a gift set for Christmas. And yes, I'm opening this way too early, but I don't care because this is for myself. And I just need to say it's so cute, and they wrapped it up in like a little bow with a satin ribbon, and yeah, just a really cute present. That is one tip from me when you are buying presents for yourself, that always ask for them to wrap it up in a nice gift or something. Then it's much more fun for you to open it up. So here we go. I just love buying myself gifts. It's like the most greatest thing you can do. And I paid 180 crowns for this. It was a bit tricky to open. And I love this also, this like matte paper, oh, it's called like almost ribbon but not paper. Yeah, you know what I mean. It just stands nicely here too, with love from me. Yeah, we're going to open it up. I just love opening up presents, even though I know what it is. I just love this feeling. Yeah, I'm sorry, people. Just gonna put it there. So I got myself 4 masks from Kicks. There's the brand. And this one is a Drink Up Beauty Instant Moisture Mask. An intense moisturizing mask that revitalizes and nourishes dry skin. Contains an effect moisture concentrates that gets to work deep down and provide long-lasting hydration. And this one is a Cool Beauty Anti-Stress Mask. This white one. It's a soothing, cooling, nourishing face mask for stressed skin. For abundant, long-lasting hydration, bringing the glow back to your skin. And this is the Detox Beauty Mask. And it's a clearing mud mask. A deep cleaning mud mask that eliminates impurities and absorbs excesses bum. Makes your skin clear and fresh. And the last one is a Glowing Beauty Exfoliating and Tingling Mask. A mask that gives your skin new glow and vitality. It exfoliates to remove dead skin cells, giving you a clearer complexion. Yeah, which one? All of them contains 40 milliliters, and they are dermatology. Oh my god. Dermatologically tested. They are not tested on animals. That's what the point is. And yes, it's made in Sweden, and I just hope it's good. You get a brush, and I'm going to try one out. So let's open this up. I have like something, maybe a scissor, maybe it's too. I just love testing out new products. Which one I am going to try? I am very curious about the exfoliating and tingling mask, but I also am very into the anti-stress mask. But I think I will go with the anti-stress mask, and that is the white one. And that is one. This one is called Cooling Beauty. Leave to work for about 10 minutes, then rinse off. Yeah, so let's try this one. And it says you are supposed to have like a clean and washed face, but I just woke up and I don't want to dry out my face even more, so I'm just going to take it as it is. And let's see, here is the brush. It's like almost a spatula gummy thing. I don't know how this is supposed to like, yeah, maybe, I don't know. And it's almost like it's broken. I don't know. Well, let's see. I'm going to go back to the store otherwise and claim me another one. And it's just a face mask spatula from Kicks. So let's put out the anti-stress mask. Let's see if I can get it out. And it looks like this. Very cute bottle, and it's like wrapped in this plastic. Just take that off. Oh, sorry, I'm so tired. I just got up and yeah, it's breakfast, and then I just I can make some video, because I was going to try this mask today because I was so excited for my own gift. So why not record it too? Yeah, I'm just going to apply like a thin layer with this thing that I hope will work. And I have my mirror right here, and maybe I should do like this so I can see where I am applying it. Maybe too close, I don't know. Yeah, I'll go with that. So yeah, it smells kind of weird. I don't know. It smells like a bubblegum here in Sweden. I don't know. It smells weird, a bit weird. Let's see. Oh, so it's like a white greenish paste. I'm just going to, maybe I should have like, or not. Yeah, forget about my hair, it's going to be everywhere anyways. So I'm just going to take on a thin coating of this. This actually works out pretty well, I guess. I don't know, it feels kind of weird to like put something on with a spatula. I don't know. It's like hard to get in the smaller places with this. It feels very smooth, but the smell is kind of, it doesn't feel like you get too much mask in this little thing. Yeah, it's only 40 milliliters and you pay like almost 200 for it, but you get 4 other masks, so yeah, it's pretty decent, I guess. I have problems getting it here in this area. It's hard. It was not so easy to spread out with like this. It feels like I'm getting way too much in some places, but yeah. Oh my god, looks like I have a big bag underneath here. Yeah, I'm going to do my makeup after this. It's highly needed, if you could say that. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty happy with this now. And now I'm just going to leave it on for 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it off. So I'll be back in 10 minutes and we will see what I think about this mask.